There's differences that we define contested versus uncontested, or when I say we, attorneys, and here at our firm at Turner Monahan, I think we look at an uncontested divorce as somebody coming in and saying, hey, listen, we're planning on getting a divorce. We've talked about this for a while. We believe that we have an agreement for most everything. We just need an attorney to help us out. A lot of times we get that, and unfortunately we have to say, well, we can only represent one of you. An attorney can't represent both sides, is not able to give both parties advice, but we can provide advice to one of the parties, file for divorce, even get waivers drafted, and have the parties, through our client, provide us the agreement, and then take a look at the agreement and give some feedback on it and say, hey, look, we think you should do this, this, and this because this is what we've seen in the past and what we've done in the past. I think it's more cost effective for the client, or can be more cost effective for them, to get it done amicably, because the more time that we have to spend going down to court, putting documents together, filing things, preparing for hearings, going to have hearings, talking to third parties, gathering evidence, etc., those things may result in the outcome that the party or parties wanted, but may not. You just don't know. So, when uncontested divorces, they aren't always the right thing in every situation, but an uncontested divorce can also look like it's turning contested, but then also become possibly amicable by going to mediation. So uncontested doesn't mean that it has to be a completely full-blown agreement right away, but if you end up having to go to mediation, there could be additional fees. So it's all dependent upon how the parties are able to be amicable with each other. Because the alternative to that is a contested divorce, which contested divorce is when the client contacts you and they want to be the primary parent, or they know that there's going to be issues regarding the children, or immediate issues regarding either infidelity or somebody's wasting assets, or somebody's spending money that they shouldn't be spending. You're filing suit, you're asking for a temporary restraining order, and you're going to court within 14 days. That's a lot of divorces start out that way. I would say the majority of divorces start out that way, because generally you're getting divorced because you're unable to agree and you're unable to be amicable. That doesn't mean that the contested divorce has to end up being contested the entire time.